The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. There are 3 bolts securing the glove box sealing panel. Remove the bolt securing the footwell sealing using a 10mm socket. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Remove the bolt securing the filter housing door using a 7/32 socket. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1031 filters into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the driver's side of the car. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the bolt. Make sure that the filter housing is secure. Reinstall the footwell sealing. Reinstall the bolts.